especially welcome you all as you join us today. I present to you the kola nut and invite you to join us as we consecrate and break it, invoking the blessings and unity that this ancient tradition embodies. In my hands is enzu, a mark of purity, and with it, I call on the divine immanence, chukwu, my chi, our revered ancestors and our ancestral gods and goddesses who have always been on immeasurable love, wisdom, and guidance to us, and the nature's elements that sustain life on this earth to come and join in this ritual and give us their blessings, guidance, wisdom, and protection. It's said that he who brings kola brings life. With this kola in my hand, I declare that we shall live and thrive. Long life, good health, and prosperity shall be our portion. Premature death will not be our portion. May we be protected from accidents and injuries as we venture forth on our daily endeavors. May we be blessed with success, prosperity, and safety in our pursuits. And may our efforts be rewarded with abundance. May the fruits of our labor be abundant and rewarding. May our endeavors be crowned with success. And may we reap a bountiful harvest from our hard work. May we be blessed with the strength, wisdom, and discernment to provide for, protect, and guide our families with love, care, and prudent judgment, that we may be a source of comfort, support, and inspiration to those entrusted to our care. May our ancestors, chukwu, and our individual chi shield and protect us from harm, evil, and the schemes of our enemies, as well as those who may seek to deceive or harm us under the guise of friendship. May we be shielded from the traps of our adversaries, and may their wicked schemes against us be thwarted. May our day be filled with divine blessings, and may we conclude it in peace, joy, and fulfillment.